Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video, we're discussing the concept of Thai retirement visa insurance. So the health insurance, which is a prerequisite for many Thai retirement visas, whether or not this is a time bomb. And I came upon this notion via a comment on our channel, quoting directly from the comment, "I'm not returning to Thailand until there is an alternative to the scammy and worthless Thai health insurance that is an actuarial time bomb designed to boot you out after you reach 70. Okay, a couple of things going on here. I would say, and this is from talking to clients, this doesn't pertain to me specifically, so I prefer to gain some insight from people who actually have to deal with requirements before I sort of comment on them on my personal opinion. A lot of folks have noted that they prefer to have insurance rather than going a route which they can maintain status on here in Thailand without the need for insurance. And many clients say, yeah, I would prefer to have some sort of government mandated or otherwise health insurance coverage here in Thailand. So I think to call it scammy and worthless is, I would say that's not the best, those are not the adjectives, that's not the phraseology I would use. And then there's this notion of being an actuarial time bomb designed to boot you out after you reach 70. And I think what this commenter means is at 70, most folks are not going to be eligible to maintain their health insurance after that point in time. But the thing that I believe that this commenter failed to fully understand, the nuance not being grasped, is there may be an alternative to an OA retirement visa for that person. Most notably, and we've discussed this at length on other videos on this channel, the O retirement visa. The O retirement visa, it's a differentiation of labeling, but there's the OA, the O-A, which requires insurance in order to maintain retirement visa status in Thailand. And then there's the O retirement visa extension, which occurs in Thailand, and that can be conferred by a Thai immigration office here in Thailand. Now, I've discussed at length in other videos on this channel, this labeling may one day change. They may consolidate all of this, and it may be a requirement for everybody. My gut, my instinct, my intuition, if you will, tells me that's probably not going to happen, or I would say it's more likely than not that it will not happen, because frankly, in the aftermath, the tourism situation here in Thailand in the aftermath of COVID-19 is not going to be pretty. And I think that authorities and policymakers are probably going to want to encourage not only tourists, but foreign nationals bringing in foreign exchange. They're probably going to want to encourage those folks as much as they can. And for this reason, I suspect, retirees of any stripe that are maintaining a foreign bank balance or bringing in their pension money in order to live in Thailand, they are going to be encouraged to do that. So I don't see this O retirement visa extension method going away. It could in theory, but I don't see it happening anytime soon. And for this reason, again, I don't view insurance as a quote unquote time bomb, because someone who sort of is no longer eligible to obtain insurance could possibly convert into an O retirement visa from an OA retirement visa, at least theoretically, as of the time of this video, or maybe leave the country and again, when that becomes more of a possibility, and sort of reorient themselves in such a way that they can maintain O retirement visa status thereafter. Again, it's all going to be fact dependent. It's going to be very much based on the facts of a given case. But yes, I think it's probably erroneous, or I would not use the phrase time bomb to describe this. 70 is not the cutoff mark. It is possible to maintain lawful retirement visa status in the Kingdom of Thailand after one is 70 years of age.